Hands-on learning. Follow my example as I follow the example of Christ. 1 Corinthians 11 verse 1. My 6-year-old son, Owen, received a new board game, but he was frustrated. He couldn't figure out how it worked. Later, when a friend came over who already knew how to play, Owen finally got to enjoy his present. Watching them play, I was reminded of how much easier is it to learn something new if you have an experienced teacher. Paul understood this too. Writing to Titus about how he could help his church grow in faith, Paul emphasized the value of experienced believers who could model Christian faith. Of course, teaching sound doctrine was important, but it didn't just need to be talked about. It needed to be lived. Paul wrote that older people ought to be self-controlled, kind, and loving. In everything, he said, set them an example by doing what is good. I'm thankful for the many people in my life who have been hands-on teachers. They have shown me by their lives what it looks like to follow Christ and have made it easier for me to see how I can walk that path too. Have a great day ahead. God bless you all.